Alright, let's get straight to it. How do you run a Google ad campaign like a pro? Whether you're a small business owner or just starting out, I promise this isn't rocket science. You just need the right steps. First, head over to ads.google.com and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and make one. It's free. Next, click on New Campaign. Google will ask your goal: sales, leads, website traffic. Choose the one that fits your business best. Now decide where you want your ads to show: search, display, or maybe YouTube. For most beginners, search is the easiest. Enter your business website and set up your target location. Are your customers local or spread across the country? Set your budget. Start small, think $5 to $10 a day, just to test what works. Next comes keywords. This is key. Type in phrases your customers would search for. Google even suggests some. Pick the ones that match your offer. Write your ad. Keep it simple. Headline, a few lines that solve your customer's problem, and a clear call to action. Don't overthink it. You can always tweak and test later. Finally, hit publish. Congrats! Your ad's live. But don't just set it and forget it. Check in daily, see what's working, and adjust your keywords and budget as needed. Running Google Ads is all about testing and learning. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll be running campaigns like a pro in no time. Good luck!